Hello, this is Aayushi again from Indian Folk. As we have been touring small cities and towns across India, we have been giving insights and reports mostly on the local culture, traditions, and customs that form the backbone of India. Today, we are going to talk something different, which is of great significance to India as a nation and how non-violent movement in India started about 100 years ago. I'm standing here at Jallianwala Bagh Memorial in Amritsar, which had witnessed innocent civilians becoming targets of bullets fired under the command of the British colonial rule under Dyer in 1919. To give you a quick recap of the incident, on April 13, 1919, a large gathering of 15 to 20,000 people, with a majority of Sikhs, took place to celebrate the Punjabi harvest festival of Baisakhi. They had gathered to revolt against the repression of Rowlatt Act that provided for a stricter control of on the press, arrest without warrant, and indefinite detention without trial. But little did they know what the British Indian Army had in mind. Dyer's troop indiscriminately fired on the group of gathered civilians for about 10 minutes, and it only ceased when the ammunition supplies were almost exhausted. While the British officers at that time gave their own reasons for the massacre and justified the indiscriminate firing at the innocent civilians, it is generally accepted by most Indians that such a planned firing wasn't required to disperse the crowd. The incident gave rise to strong feelings of nationalism among the Indians, and it brought the Hindus, Muslims, and Sikhs together for the first time in large numbers during the non-cooperation movement of 1920. We are now in the year 2018, and it has been about 100 years since the massacre happened here. Most young Indians of the current generation may not be fully aware of the sacrifices made by the Indians here at the Jallianwala Bagh, other than what was taught in history books. We at Indian Folk would like to emphasize the unity of people cutting across religious lines at that time, even during their killing at the hands of British. It is what made India united for years to come, and it continues even today.